112 homicides in Kansas City, Missouri just this year. That is one more than all of last year.
And as that violence continues to rise, law enforcement leaders are at odds over how to fix it. 41 Action News reporter Josh Helmuth is live tonight with a look at what's being done.
Yeah, guys, this is right here in this area where a rolling gun battle took place Sunday morning. It actually took over 8 square blocks in this part of town, highlighting yet another violent crime in Kansas City. Crime continues to spike, but why? That's where police leaders disagree. Sunday morning in Kansas City, shortly after 2 a.m., a bloody rampage near Gregory and Prospect ended with 7 people with gunshot wounds.
It literally sounded like there was a war going on out here.
3 cars crashed amid the chaos, which spanned 8 square blocks. And not just homes riddled with bullets, but cars, including Charles McCrae's.
What's going through my mind right now? Something's got to be done.
Hours later, Kansas City Fraternal Order of Police President Brad Lemon posted on the Lodge's Facebook page calling out KCPD, saying, quote, staffing, manpower, promotions have all led to risks to our membership. Something must change.
At some point, we have to figure out that we don't have enough police officers.
Today, Lemon told us he feels KCPD simply needs more officers patrolling city streets.
Looking back at staffing, even over the last 5 years, we're down 70 to 80 police officers.
During Sunday's gun battle, KCPD did ask for backup from other cities. 8 other agencies responded, including Leawood, Prairie Village, and Raytown. In his blog on Monday, KCPD Chief Darryl Forte commended, quote, all the officers who helped with the dangerous situation without hesitation, and that in order for violence in Kansas City to stop, the community needs to help intervene. This altercation didn't arise from nowhere. Someone knew a dispute was brewing, and they didn't tell us. Police cannot stop this violence. Lemon says police can't rely on other departments or the community for help, and that officers need to be proactive.
The problem is that the people that are doing the crime in this city and doing the things that happened Saturday night aren't sitting down and reading blogs.
KCPD said Chief Forte was unavailable for comment today. They said they're still investigating the shootout from Sunday, and they have not yet made any arrests. From KCMO, Josh Helmuth, 41 Action News.